Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to handle low milk flow moments during breastfeeding or pumping. Many mothers experience times when milk flow feels slower, and understanding how to respond can make these moments much easier to manage. First of all, it is important to understand that milk flow is not always the same. Some sessions may feel smooth, while others may feel slower. This is completely normal and can be influenced by factors like rest, hydration, stress, and even your daily routine. When you notice that milk flow is slower than usual, the first thing to do is stay calm. Stress and tension can affect how your body responds, so taking a few slow and deep breaths can help you relax. A calm mind often supports a better physical response. Before feeding or pumping, gently massaging the breast for a minute or two can be helpful. This simple step prepares your body and may support a smoother flow. Some mothers also find that taking a quiet moment before starting helps them feel more relaxed. When you begin, avoid rushing the process. Try to keep a slow and steady rhythm instead of applying too much pressure. A gentle and consistent approach often works better than trying to force the flow. It is also important to stay comfortable during the session. Sitting in a relaxed position and choosing a calm environment can make a noticeable difference. Even small changes in comfort can support the process. Taking care of yourself throughout the day plays a big role. Drinking enough water, eating regular meals, and getting rest whenever possible can help your body function better overall. If you feel that the flow is not improving, it is okay to pause for a short time and try again after a few minutes. Sometimes your body just needs a little break to respond. Avoid comparing one session to another. Each session can be different, and that does not mean something is wrong. Trust your body and give it time to adjust. Over time, as you continue with a regular routine, your body becomes more familiar with the process. These slower moments usually become easier to handle. With patience, self-care, and small adjustments, many mothers find that low milk flow moments become less stressful and more manageable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.